Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if CCleaner is not opening or working properly on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. In order to do that, it's very simple. All you have to do is just left click on the File tab up at the top left click on Export. For file name, you can save it as whatever you want, but usually the date in which you're making the backup is what I would recommend. And then save it to a convenient location on your computer. Make sure export range is selected to all, and then select save. And if you ever need it to come back from a backup, all you have to do is just left click on the File tab and then select Import. Navigate to the file location, and that's pretty straightforward. So once you're done making the backup, now you want to go ahead and expand the HKey local machine folder. So either double click on it or left click a little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and do the same thing for the software folder. I'm going to make this screen a little bit wider here. Now that you've expanded the software, you want to go expand Microsoft. Double click on it or left click a little arrow next to it to expand that. Now you want to go down to Windows NT. And you can also see the path that we're following up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is separating the next folder you want to go into. So just to kind of keep it a little organized for you guys. And now you want to expand Windows NT, double click or left click arrow next to that again. Do the same thing for the current version folder, which should be right underneath Windows NT. Go down to where it says Image File Execution Options, and you want to expand that. Now there should be a folder underneath Image File Execution Options that says CCleaner, and you want to just go ahead and right click on that. Select Delete. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys? Go ahead and left click on Yes. Once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that's resolved the problem. If you're still experiencing a problem, you can go ahead and just try and uninstall CCleaner and then reinstall it from Puriform's own website. So that's always an option too. So do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.